Hello friends, a very warm welcome to you. Here we'll be informing you today about our two upcoming batches. One is online batch and the other is on-site batch. Yes, we are back with our on-site batches which we had stopped due to the lockdown period, but now we are back with the on-site batches. In fact, the first batch after lockdown, the on-site batch has already started in Jan, and now here we'll be talking about the second on-site batch that is starting from Feb, right? So this on-site batch here on it will be starting on first of every month, right? So we'll discuss about that as also we'll discuss about the online batch. So online batch friends, as you all know, we are already done with our 13 online batches, and now this is our 14th online batch that will be starting on 9th of Feb and it will be up to 3rd of March. So the topics that we'll be covering would be all about the RCC members, starting right from foundation, your beams, columns, slabs. Not only that, but how do you read the drawing? How do you work out the quantity? How do you schedule those activities? Along with this, the project management aspects of it, as also the software aspect of it. So you can go through this PDF, which is the link of which you will find in the description below. You can go through the link. All the day-wise topics are mentioned in here to give you the flexibility of timing. So majority of the sessions which are being taught to you will be available to you on the app itself, so you can watch it at your convenience, but every alternate day will be coming live again at the given time, that is 7:45 p.m. every alternate day, to clarify your doubts from those session. अगर आप ये live भी अगर miss कर देते हो, again this live session will be available on the app which you can watch again later, right? So the key outcomes here, as mentioned, you all may kindly go through it. The fees are given, right? The fee structure is same as it was in our previous 13 batches. And if you're here new watching this video, do not know about our previous journey, you all are requested to please go through the Google reviews, the feedbacks, the amazing feedbacks that we have from the students. So yes, that's about it. That's about the online batch. एंड अबाउट नोहाउ एज वेल. नोहाउ क्या है, क्या करता है, हमारे एसोसिएशंस क्या है, बिल्डर कंस्ट्रक्शन में हमारा नेटवर्क कैसा है, कौन कौन से कंपनीज के साथ हमारा टाई अप है. यू ऑल कैन go through the entire part of it, right? Now coming next quickly to the on-site batch. So the on-site training is being given in Pune, specifically in Pimpri Chinchwad in Pune in Maharashtra. So whosoever wishes to join the on-site batch as well are most welcome to. The on-site batches are typically of a month to 6 months. You're free to choose the duration. So now these are the photos and videos from our very recent Jan batch, right? So ye Jan se already the students have started coming, and you all can come here for an inquiry. Alternatively, you can talk to the existing students as well site pe. You can take the feedback. You'll be getting experience letter, you'll be getting placement assistance, and बाकी जो भी आपको साइट पर के सारे आरसीसी एक्टिविटीज है, फिनिशिंग एक्टिविटीज है, उनके ड्राइंग्स पढ़ना, वर्किंग आउट देयर क्वांटिटीज, एवरीथिंग विल बी covered in very minute details by none other than our expert Vivek Borate sir with about 25 years of experience. वीकली शेड्यूल कैसे होगा ये यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है. आपको प्रैक्टिस के लिए भी, आपको ओन प्रैक्टिस के लिए भी, ओन ऑब्जर्वेशंस के लिए भी यहाँ पे काफी ज्यादा टाइम है आपके पास. प्लस सिखाई भी जाएगा आपको, साइट पे डायरेक्टली सिखाई जाएगा, प्लस आपको इवनिंग टाइम पे आफ्टर योर साइट आवर्स विल बी अगेन टीचिंग यू via mobile app as well, right? So the fees are 5,000 per month which you have to pay at the start of every month. आपको एक साथ 6 महीने की फीस नहीं देनी है. As I said, you can choose 1 month to 6 months, whatever duration you are convenient with, right? Now क्या क्या इंक्लूसिव है, क्या क्या नहीं इंक्लूसिव है, वो डिटेल में यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है पूरा. The next thing is again the feedbacks. You can read, you can refer, and yeah, so that's about it. And यहाँ पे एडमिशन लेने के लिए जहाँ पे फीस लिखे हुए थे उसी शीट पे you will find the Google form link, so you can go through the link both for on-site batch as well for the online batch. दोनों में आपको एक लिंक मिल जाएगी which you can go through. Alternatively आपको कुछ भी क्वेरीज है, कुछ भी डाउट्स है, नीचे यहाँ पे नंबर्स भी मेंशन्ड है अनिकेत के एंड विश्वजीत के, which you can refer to and you can get in touch with us, right? So Do you have any more? Even if you have any more questions, you can drop them in the comment section below. Just the one thing is we need to get industry ready. Yeah, be it online, be it on site, but we are not graduating as freshers. Let what? Wishing you all the best. Take care. See you all on the other side of the training. Thank you.